Today I repaired a Mini 2 drone with problems in two legs. One side is about to fall off and the other side is already broken. The gimbal also has issues and the switch on the mainboard inside the bottom shell has fallen off. Let's see if it can be fixed with very little cost. The customer just wants it to fly normally without caring about the appearance. You see how badly the shell is cracked. It can actually be simply repaired without affecting functionality, but the aesthetics will definitely be poor. Have you eaten? We are now powering on the drone and there are two errors, a flight exception and a gimbal calibration exception. Let's check the causes. After 2 days of repair, all issues were found. The most serious is that the core board is severely deformed. Its shielding cover is dented. This condition is abnormal and causes errors, but it can still power on. This kind of part must be replaced as it cannot be repaired. Also, the motor on the P-axis was stuck, so a signal cable and some small auxiliary parts were replaced. Now everything is functioning properly. Next, only the exterior parts need to be replaced before finishing. Finally, for the lock gimbal calibration, we will flash a firmware update and calibrate it. The firmware is upgraded to the latest version, then we will do a test flight outside. If there are no issues, it will be ready to finish. All tests are completed without problems. It can be packed and shipped now.